Okay, this is the part we are going to create in this tutorial. Okay, this is the drawing given for this component. Let's see how to create this part. Okay, let's close this one. So I'm going to create the new part. Okay, let's take the plain white. The component, let's take the appearance. Yeah, click okay. First of all, I'm going to create the mounting plate of the part. Here you can see this is the mounting plate. This is the part I'm going to create. Okay, here you can see the 76 millimeters, 36, 64. Yeah, let's create the part. Okay, here I'm going to use right plane. Go to sketch. First of all, I'm going to insert the center line, vertical center line. Let's take the infinite line. Okay, then I'm going to use the midpoint line. Okay, let's take the horizontal line. Click OK. Then this dimension is equal to 76. Click OK. Yeah. Let's take the circle. Circle diameter is equal to 32. Then the whole diameter is equal to 12 millimeter. Then the total height from the top to the center is equal to, here you can see 36 plus 64. 36 plus 64. Click OK. So then vertical line, and here. So then this line and this circle should be tangent. Tangent. Then this dimension is equal to, you can see 36. Okay. Then there's a hole also. Hole diameter is equal to 12 millimeter. Let's define the hole location. This height is equal to 18 millimeter. Then this length is equal to 60 millimeter. Okay. So now I am going to mirror these entities around this vertical axis. So click the mirror entities. So what is the axis? First of all, I am going to select the axis. See the axis. Then what are the entities? This one, and this one. Click OK. So now sketch has completed. You can see the fully defined sketch. So now we are ready to extrude this one. Click extrude. So select the areas to extrude. The extrude thickness is equal to 6 millimeter. You can see. Okay. Okay. Then I'm going to draw this cylindrical part. That is 100 millimeter away from this mounting bracket. You can see. Yeah. Okay, let's create this one. I'm going to draw it in front plane. Let's take the front plane. Go to sketch. First of all, I'm going to insert the center line, vertical center line, infinite length. That is from 100 millimeter away from this web. Okay. Let's insert the horizontal line as well. Let's take the infinite line. Click OK. To create this cylindrical part, we are going to use the revolve command. So I'm going to draw the cross section of this cylindrical part. Then this dimension is equal 34 divided by 2. Sorry, yeah. This dimension is equal to, yeah, 8 8 millimeter. This dimension is equal to 34 divided by 2. Okay, this dimension equal 22. 22. Then thickness is equal 6 millimeter. 6 millimeter. Here also thickness is equal to 6 millimeter. Okay, so then let's take the height. The total height is equal to 82 millimeter. Total height is equal 82 millimeter. 82 millimeter. Now it's okay. Okay, now we are ready to revolve this cross section. Go to the features, the revolve command. So what is the axis? Around this axis you can see the preview created. Click OK. Here you can see the part. Okay, so then next we are going to create this horizontal web. This is the one we are going to create. Okay, let's see how to create this one. Yeah, first of all we need to insert the plane to create this sketch for this web. So 35 millimeter distance we are going to insert the reference geometry plane. Okay, let's go to the insert reference geometry plane. Select this face. From this face 35 millimeter distance. Yeah, already selected 35 millimeter. Yeah, 35 millimeter. Click OK. So on this plane we are going to create the sketch. Go to sketch. Okay, first of all let me insert the center line, horizontal center line, the infinite length. Click OK. Okay, let's make visible, let's make hidden line visible. Okay, let's take the line. You can see this dimension is equal to 25 millimeter, and this line and this circle should be tangent. Click OK. So then I'm going to mirror this one. Let's take the mirror about this axis. This is the entity I'm going to mirror. Click OK. Okay, so let's highlight this one and go to offset entities. So make it 0 dimension. Click OK. Okay, let's connect these 2 points. Let's close the contour. Click OK. So now we are ready to extrude this one. You can see The features extrude. Select these areas. So downward direction 6 millimeter. Click OK. OK. Let's hide this one. Okay, this is the horizontal web. Okay, this is the horizontal web created. So then next we are going to create the vertical web. This one is a rectangle shape. Okay, let's create this one also. So I'm going to create it on front plane. So go to front plane, go to sketch. Here I'm going to use yeah. First of all, let's make hidden line visible. Okay, so I'm going to use the corner rectangle. Click OK. Let's go to extrude. Extrude. Here I'm going to use the two direction extrude. For one direction, there is 3 millimeter, because total thickness of the web is equal 6 millimeter. Okay, now it's okay. Click OK. Okay, this is the completed part. You can see. Okay, thank you. See you on next video.